Hello guys, today we are continuing our last video. In our last video we make this face. Okay, so hope you guys understand how hope you guys understand the tricks and tips. So if you have any doubt, please rewatch it again. And after that you still don't understand what happened, then you can ask me in the comments. Okay, I will try to explain that here. Let's put it like this because we need this space, then put it like this. Okay, so where do we start? It is very easy. Make cube. Okay, so I know some of you guys might think we still have the mesh right here, so why can't we just extrude it? Okay, result is the same, so you can do whatever you like. Okay, you can still extrude it like this and make this part. It still works. Okay, right now I'm gonna make a new cube and I'm gonna use only this space and I'm gonna delete unwanted spaces. Okay, I think I need to delete this space. Okay, so we get what we want. Now what we have to do is select these two vertices, put it like this, and this one will go to here. Okay, so before we continue, I like to hide this one. Okay, I think yes. So I'm gonna hide it. So Control H and it's gone. Okay, this will hide it. So okay, listen. First we have to do like this. So this one go like this, one like this, like this, like this. Then we take a whole curved path here. Okay, so we want one more image here. So let me take that real quick. Okay, this one. I think I didn't upscale it. So anyway, so let's put it right there. I'm gonna scale it up like this. I think this much is fine. Okay, so now put it like this one. Put it like that. Then move it like this. Okay. See, if we zoom out, we can see this one clearly. Okay, that's what I want to do. So put it like this is not a good idea, and also we don't want this side of face. I mean this side. So I have to do like this. Okay. So now what we are going to make is this red part. Okay, this red part is very important, so we have to make that. Now let's put it like this. So we are in the first step. Don't bother about the shape, just put them anyway you like. Okay, anyway you like. Okay, I'm not caring about this portion. I'm just continuing on extruding it until I get the shape I want. So I'm gonna put it like this and put it like this. Okay, so that's a way of solving that. So you have to make then just do this. Okay, that's all. Now let's continue like this, then one more, and we're gonna take this and put it like this. Okay, now we have to just do is just bridge it. Okay, so bridge it and we are done. Okay, we also need this cut, but we will put the cut at the last moment. Okay, not this time. Okay, we don't want to congest, because I don't want to congest our 3D model. Okay, so this way it's easier to control okay, the whole vertices, but when we add that part also things get complicated. Okay, so I don't want that. Okay, this part is connected. Okay, this part is also connected. I think the AI forgot to connect this part. That's all. In original image you can see the line there, but it is hard to see. That's all. And also I added the HD version in my Google Drive, so you guys go and take a look at that. Okay, so we got what we want. Now what will be our next step? So we have to select this, press B, and then click and drag. Okay, do like this. So we have to go to here and do this. Okay, I think it doesn't work the way I want. Okay, right now I think it's too much. Okay, this much is fine. I will do the rest by myself. Okay, so let's put it like this. Okay, we are just roughly putting them in the places. That's all. Okay, now let's put it like this. Like this and like this. Okay, forget about this shapes. It's very hard, I think it will confuse you, but don't worry. Okay, just check my video. Okay, if you are doing this, check my video. So this one will go like this. I think something bad happened. Yeah, it's got, okay, it's supposed to look like this. Okay, now let's put them like this, and like this. Some will go right there. Okay, I think this, okay, this one looks good. I'll put it right there. So when we add the second cut here, the cut in the middle, and it will give the exact shape what we want. So yeah, we're gonna leave it right there, just like that. We are done. Okay, okay, done. Okay, now let's go here. So what's our next step? Okay, next step is very easy. We have to go to this perspective view, then we're gonna double click the inner circle. Okay, so what we are going to do is making this part. Okay, I will show it right here. As you can see, in between the red and green, you can see this part, right? So okay, so we are doing this part. Okay, now let's do that. Okay, so this one will go like this. Okay, I'm gonna do like this. Okay, it's very complicated to place them in the correct position. If you are following the low quality version of this image, I think you can find the places correctly than this AI upscaled image. But anyways, try both. Okay, now let's put it like this. Okay, let's put it like this, and we are done. Okay, I think this one is fine. I think this one is okay. So as you can see, there is some problem here. Okay, actually I have a solution for that. So the problem here is when we extrude it all the way to inside, things will look like this. Okay, so this one looks fine, but this route is very complicated. So let's go here. So as you can see, this one is not connected. Okay, these two edges are not connected. When we select the whole thing as one, okay, this one will end up like this one. Okay, so we don't want that. So easy solution will be to extrude it separately. You can delete that face and extrude it separately. So I'm going to use target yield and then connect them like this. Then take this one vertex and put it like this. So we get this part and this part in correct way. So for the next step, we will go to this side. I think I messed up the whole thing. Okay, I'm gonna use my memory to solve this. So this one will go to inside. I think this one will be here. This one will be right there. Okay, so I think we are done. Okay, so this one goes inside, this one goes inside. So this line. Okay, so I think we got it. Now for the next part, we will be making this part. Okay, this part is very necessary for the ear shape. So do this. So I'm gonna extrude it. Okay, then just press anything to come outside of that come outside of that extrude. Then press 3. As you can see, the line is there. So then again press 1 and smooth it, and you get like this. Okay, now before we extrude it like this way, I have to make sure this one is the correct position. So okay, let's see. Okay, I think I will put them right there. Okay, this one will go to here. So like a small amount of depth is there. Okay, so merge them to center, and it will go. Okay, I think this much is fine. So I'm going to select this. As you can see, we can't see anything from here, so that means we have to put them like this. Okay, so make an arch like this, and it's better to do that. Okay, now let's see. Let's go here. Again the same problem. So I'm gonna turn off this one, history, then center pivot, the next root, again the next root. Okay, so 2 times and we are done. Okay, just 2 times is enough. Then we will extrude the next step. Okay, we will extrude in the next step, but before that we have to make this part. Okay, this part we can check the almost HD version. So as you can see, this edge is extruded to this part, then goes like this. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, then to this green part, then this one, then this green. Okay, so this is where the trick is coming. So in order to make this part, we have to memorize some stuff. So I will show you. Before we make that, we gonna make the green stuff. Okay, so in order to make the green stuff, you have to carefully look at this image. As you can see, there is where do we see the greens? So this one, 1 2 3 4, then goes like this, this very small in size, then goes like this and disappear right there. Okay, so what happened is we can see this part. Yeah, it is actually inside this part, so it is hidden in the side view. Then again, this one go like this, and make a round here. Then it is curved and go like this. I will show you exactly how to make that topology. Okay, listen to me. Okay, listen to me carefully. So we are going to make another loop. Okay, so we are not gonna double click it because our loop only starts from here to here. Yes, start from here to here. Okay, then we're gonna extrude it. So as you can see, the AI, I think it erased that part. So please look at this image also. Download the image. It is available in my Google Drive. Okay. You can also find the same image in Pinterest. I think some artist made this. I think you should thank him for making that. Okay, now let's put it like this, then like this. So this one go like a small one, then disappear somewhere right here. So I'm gonna replicate that part. Okay, now I think, yeah, I think I make a good one. Okay, right now let's go here. Then as you can see, it's not perfect, so let's make it perfect. This one goes like this, and we are done. Okay, so let's press 3. First of all, we have to save it, then press 3. Okay, I think we get something like this. Yeah, it still looks good, don't worry. Now let's go here and check if we have some hints to put the hints about finding the proper place to put them. I think this way is fine, this one is fine. I think there's a lot of issues in the AF scaling, so please bear in that mind. Okay, now let's see. I think it can go like this. I'm not sure. Okay, I think it can go like this. Okay, that means it will go deeper into the, yeah, that is what it means. So as you can see this one will look like this. So we have to move them like this also. So this one will eventually go like this. As you can see, we made this part. Okay, this part is very important. If you don't figure out this part, this whole modeling part will, this here part will collapse. Okay, I think I need to move it backward. Yeah, I need to make it, I need to move it backward so it won't affect the shape. Okay, like this is like this. Yeah, I think it looks good. Okay, now let's make the rest. So do like this, then do like this, and take this edge and do this. Okay, now it is done. So again, I'm gonna speed it up, then do like this, do like this. Then do like this, do like this. Okay, now we are almost at the ending part. Then do like this and do like this. So this one will go right there, this one will go right there. Okay, don't worry about getting the right position in the first try. We can always do this, so don't worry about that. Okay, making the same ear model again and again for every character is very difficult. So make different kind of, I think you will make a different kind of ear. Okay, when you work on 3D models. So always save it, save the file, and you can use it for later. Just copy paste the ear models from other characters you work before. Okay, make sure the work is done in the correct time. That's all. There is nothing wrong in doing this copy pasting method. I think some artists said that it is like a Frankenstein style method. Okay, like putting parts of other characters in new character. So we make a Frankenstein. Like I think it is funny to hear, but I think that artist is right. Always talk with other artists. Ask them your doubts, and also share your knowledge. Okay, don't expect free tips. Okay, you have to tell them what you learned also. That way both of you will grow your knowledge, something like that. So both of you will gain something good. Okay, because nobody's gonna help you for free. For knowledge, you give them your knowledge. Okay, now I think it is enough. So let's go here. Yeah, I thought so. So let's move them like this. This one will go like this side, and this one will go here. This one will go here. Okay, this one will go here. Okay, now this one will go here. Just don't mind this. Okay, this AI messed up the whole line thing. Okay, I think it is hard for you to understand, so please use the low quality version. Okay, I think low quality version is more better than this. So okay, we can go to this territory. Okay, so we have to go like this. Okay, don't go over there. Okay, then go like this. I think okay. I think this one will go here. So this okay. I think it should go like this. But anyways, let's put them fast. Okay, this one is fine. Okay, I don't care. Okay, now let's go to here. So this one should look like some smooth surface. Then we have some height here, or depth in the green part. So we need to make that depth. So for that I'm gonna move like this. So are we doing the correct way? Yes, we are doing it in the correct way. So I think we got some depth here, and this one needs some depth here, like this and like this. Okay, so like this. Let's take a look at the top part. Okay, the top part also needs some depth, I think. So move like that. Okay, so it's very tiny area, so we have to put it like this. It's very tiny. Okay, so even the low quality version cannot show how to make it. Okay, let's put it right there, and we are done. Okay, I think we are done. Don't bother about this trailing. Okay, when we press 3, everything will be alright. So before we go to the top, let's do the easy stuff first. So the easy stuff is this bridging. Okay, so do that. So do that first, budget, and we are done. So this one will go like this, but before we do that, I like to connect them like this. I think I made the wrong thing. Okay, it's not supposed to go like this. Okay, so first of all do this and we will find the correct way. So in order to find that, we have to make this part. So just extrude it. Okay, every point in here, every vertex here is connected to each other, so don't underestimate them. Make sure you create every single of them. Okay. Okay, now let's see. So these two guys will get connected. So see, we are done. Okay, we connected that part and we are done. So let's see, for this part should we go for a see, it has some depth here, but it is going uphill here. Okay, it's going up. So when we make this part, we have to make sure it is going up, or else our model don't work. See, it's now going up. Now let's see. Okay, this one is a result of fine, and then press 3. So we have some weird shade here, so let's move it up like this one and press 3, and see, we get a nice shape. Okay, forget about this one and we will correct it. Okay, so mesh display, I'm gonna set I think we shouldn't bother about it right now. I'm gonna focus on making the rest of it. Okay, so let's put them right there. That dark shading will go out eventually, so you don't have to bother about it. Now let's connect them. Okay, I think I made something bad, so let's select both of them and bridge it. We are done. So this way, this image will help us to put them in the correct place. So yeah, use the vertex. Okay, it will go like there, it will go like there, and there. It will go inside. I think. Okay, we will solve that part later. I think this one will go like this. This one can go like that. This one will go like this. This one like this. Okay. Now let's go here, and we're gonna target yield it to this guy. Then what else we have to do? So take these two, then bridge it, add a cut here. Now let's target it in there. Okay, now I think we have some, we don't have any issues there. So let's put it like this and select these two and connect them. So we got our here. Now for this part, we have to move this guy to here, so the lines will go as the reference image. Okay, now everything looks fine. So as I said before, it is going upward, so upward I mean this way, so we have to do like this. Okay, always compare the image. So if we press 3 we will get this one. We still have some issues right here, so I think I will again merge it. I will try that part. If it doesn't work, I have some another ideas. Okay, so it's still not working, so I'm gonna delete it, then take these two and put it. Okay, now we are done. Okay, depending on the character we can just move them inwards, so the depth will be shown very clearly. So now let's select this guy and do this. So we also need to have this shape, right? So yeah, I think it is good right now. Okay, if it is too much, just undo it. Okay, then let's go here. So we're gonna make this part. Okay, I will show it right there. So we are going to make this violet part. Okay, it is almost similar to the green one. The reason I say it is similar is because most of the part is inwards inside this part. Okay, so how we are going to make this? It's very easy. Just double click it. Okay, so you select this edge and double click it. So this one will go like this, like this, like this, like this, and it is done. So let's do it. So double click it, then I'm gonna Control E, extrude, then okay, I think I need to scale it so it will come like this. Then with the help of move tool I can just move them inwards. Okay, see, it is done. It is very easy now. And we need to move this guy. Okay, this one is very important, so we have to put it like that. Then let's go here, then rearrange the vertices. Okay, I think I will take some guesses here and put it like that. So I will show what must be done here, because there is 1, 2 and 3 and we only have 2. I will eventually find the way. Okay, so first of all, just do this. Okay, right now I think it should go like this. Yeah, it should go like this. Okay, this is why upscaling is sometimes make the work tricky. Okay, but it did a very good job on the head part, not the ear part. Okay, I mean that is plenty of good thing. Okay, now let's do like this. Okay, I think we get something like this and move it inside and we are done. Okay, I think this part here is done. So we made this one, and again we have to do this part. So before that we forgot one thing. We didn't add this line. Okay, that is why it looks weird. So right now we can just do this. That's all. Okay, now let's see. Let's do the next part, that is making this one. Okay, making this part and this loop. Okay, it's very tricky because this loop goes from here to here, then curved it goes inside, then it goes like this to here and here and here. So it kind of ends like here, then it goes like this direction. Okay, it goes into the ear hole. Okay, so it won't go like this part this way. Okay, that is why it is a little tricky, but we are going to do it. Okay, so I think I have to select this much, right? Yeah, this much, so we can just, you know, uh, target wield it, and we will get the result. Okay, so I'm gonna extrude it, and yes, that's it. That is all. Okay, now we get what we want. Also, we have to make sure it is going to the inside of the ear. Okay, we don't want it outward. Okay, so let's first of all we have to uh, do this one, then it will go like this, like this. Okay, right now okay, anyways, let's forget about that part, and we are going to put the vertices in the proper position. Then we will think about the shape. So this one go like this one, because see, you can just compare it. Okay, compare it to this image. A lot of the shapes changed because of the upscaled image. That's it. That is all. Okay, this one go like this one like this. Okay, like this, like this. Okay, like this. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, this is how we make this part. Now, as you can see, we can just bridge it. No, we can do that. We have to follow this step. So as you can see, we see two of this, one two one two one two one two. So how we are going to make that? Okay, we only have this thing right there, so it gets a little tricky, but I think I have the solution. So first of all, select these guys and extrude it. We get this one, we get like this, like this, like this, and like this. Okay, so what will we do next? We will just I think it doesn't work like that. Let's see, let's hear. So this one kind of goes like this. So one here and one here. So one here, one here. Okay, I think okay, so as you can see, it will go like this one, and this one go like this. Proper position is like this. Okay, now make a dummy move like this. Okay, so this will be our final, right? So I'm gonna press G, and let's spend some time here and figure it out. Okay, so do this first. Okay, connect them like this. Okay, now okay, as I said before, this one go like goes here, this one goes here. so it shouldn't make us make any trouble, right? Okay, only solution I found is do like this. Okay, this is the only solution I found. Right, so we are gonna do like this. Okay, it look like this one. Okay, they almost look like this. I don't think it is wrong or something like that. Okay, this one goes to here, this one goes here. Okay, this one goes here. Okay, this one go like this one goes here, or else the topology looks bad. Okay, so this one will go like this, like this, like this, like this, and like this. So I think it is now looks good. Like I said before, make sure to look at the topology version also. So I'm gonna change the position like this also. Okay, so let's press 3, see what we get. We get the we are almost done making this. Okay, this here part is little complicated to make, so always make sure you have enough reference images when you are doing this, or else you're gonna spend a lot of time doing this. Okay, you're gonna hate that. Okay, I think you guys hate that. That is why we are searching for this video. So let's select these tools and bridge it again. This one goes to bridge. Okay, now let's go here. If you look at that place again, we're gonna get complicated. Okay, we don't want that. So let's do this. Okay, quick rearrangement. Then we are going to. Okay, easiest way will be to do this. Okay, the reason I choose this edge is because if you extrude it from there, see, this edge is in the proper direction. Okay, forget about this point, just this vertex for this edge. It is almost symmetrical to this part, so that is what you want. That is why I choose this one. Then again I'm gonna extrude it, then again extrude it until I get like this. Okay, now we can rearrange. Then so let's put it like this. Okay, I'm not gonna add the target wheel right now, but eventually I will. So this one goes like this. So okay, only after I connect these two I will extrude it. Okay, so this is what we are. Okay, I think I need to delete this one. Okay, I'm not sure about this deleting this one, so what I'm gonna do is gonna do like this, so it is almost near this place. Okay, now I can extrude this one. Okay, okay, let's see. Now take this target wheel. They are also, I don't think I should do that. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, there is another reason why you shouldn't merge in that place. It is because we actually have a hole there, so we don't want to merge them like this. And also the topology doesn't go like that. As you can see, this one will go like this one, like this way, this one like this way, this one this way. So nobody is connecting here. Okay, we have to make a big hole there. Now, okay, as you can see, the hole is not good enough. So we're gonna do like this, like this, like this. Okay, some like this. And right now we are going to do this. Okay, now we are going to do this. Okay, go up and make something like this one. Then let's go here. So this one and this one go like this and go like this. Okay, I think we are almost done. Okay, this one go like this one, so they have to be closer to each other. Then this one and this one go like this. Okay, easiest will be to take this one, target wield it, take this one, target wield it, and this one also go like this. Okay, I'm not sure about this one, but we will find out. Okay, now let's select these guys and do this. Okay, so now you understand why we did that. Okay, see, the hole looks good. Okay, you can press 3 if you want to, because if you have any doubts in getting the shape, let's do this. Okay, and also don't bother about connecting them because it is unnecessary. It is a very unnecessary process to connect them, so don't do that. Okay, and also do this. Then if you think if you leave like this, in some angles we can see the hole, just do this, extrude it again. Okay, extrude it again, and it's gonna look like this, and we are done. Okay, I think it got squashed, but anyways, just do this and we are good to go. Yes, press 3. Okay, so we have a beautiful ear right here. So we will actually cover the surface only, so we're gonna make the inside part. That is why I don't like this inner parts. It will mess up this. Okay, anyways, now let's go here and press 1. We don't want the smooth version, so let's put them like this, like this. Okay, this one looks good, this one looks good. Okay, everything looks good now let's double click it and move it up. But this guy doesn't like to go too much upwards, so this one is fine. We're gonna press 3 and see, look at our eye. So sorry, look at our ear. It's looking good now. Now let's move it up like this. Okay, now I think it looks, now I think it looks good. Yeah. Okay, so what about the other parts? Okay, now the only problem here is we have to connect it like this one, but as you can see we have a hidden face here and also hidden face here. That means these guys won't connect to this part, so we have to make the back side of this ear. So as you can, even if you check this part, you can see them very well. So how many faces should we avoid? How many edges? So 1, 2 and 3. We have to avoid these parts. Okay, so 1, 2. Okay, this one is fine. I think one is fine. They added extra cut here. I think it is in the middle. That is why I count 3 or okay, then yeah, it's fine. Doesn't matter. So this one to this one, go like this, then go like this, go like this. Okay, then we're gonna do something like this, like this. Then we're gonna do something like this and inwards. Okay, again a little more, then go like this. Then we need a curved shape. Okay, so again I'm gonna do this, again I'm gonna do this, then move it backward. Okay, now we can just shape it. Please check the real reference images. Okay, right now I'm doing everything what my mind says. Okay, it may not be accurate, but I will eventually correct it. Okay, okay, I think it is supposed to go like this, go like this. I think this part is unnecessary. Anyways, let's unhide this part. Okay, now let's see. Let's connect them. Okay, so I combine them, then both of them will. Okay, our first bridge. Then again I delete the history, that's all. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to connect all these parts. So this one will go here and this one will go here. So who's gonna go here? Okay, that is the problem. Okay, right now just do this, and also I don't want it to look like this. Let's move it like this. Okay, I think I extruded it too much, that's why. So I'm gonna do this. When you have a lot of experience, I think your work will show that. I mean, experience in making the model correctly. Okay, not the mistakes, because we don't want that mistake. Okay, I think I will take a gamble and comment. So okay, let's start from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and connect them. Okay, I think it looks good. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, right now they are connected. We have some problem here, so I want to solve it. Just move them outwards until we get something like this. Okay, now we have to target will this part, and this part has to go like this. Okay, I don't want any funny shapes going inside, so I will just do something like this one, like this. Okay, this here is fine. This here is also fine. This here like this, like this. As you can see, we will eventually correct it. Okay, so don't worry about the process. Also, you can use this image for sculpting. Okay, it is good for sculpting also, so use it for sculpting. Okay, now this one to this one go like this. And inner part here. This will make a little bump like this. Okay, now let's press 3. Okay, if you think it is very too much, you can just move it inside. Okay, it's very easy to adjust it because we come this far, right? Just do this. Okay, I think I selected some. Okay, so unselect them. There is still something right here, so let's move them inwards, then and squeeze it. I think it goes too much inside. Okay, so this one right there is fine. Then go like this, go like this. You can also use the sculpting brush to get the proper round smoothness. Okay, now gonna do this. Okay, I think it looks good fine now. Here looks good also. Then okay, maybe some of the topology doesn't look the same as this one, but anyways, we make it all right. And also so as you can see, this one goes like this, right? Let's check if there is any way we can avoid that. So I'm gonna delete this and delete this because that is the part that causing the problem, and I'm gonna do like this, then like this. So as you can see, there is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, I think it's gonna cause some triangles there, so I think I should find some way to solve some extra solve this. So I'm gonna do like this. So what kind of difference does it make? Okay, I think it looks way better than before. So again, we made some shape in this place also. So this one will go right there. Then we will decide. Now okay, this one, not that one. This part will go here. Okay, see this part. Then this part will go like this, and will go right now. Okay, just put them like this. Then this will go forward to here, and this will go forward to here. Okay, now we have to connect these guys. Okay, so if we put any cut like this, it will stay inside the ear only, doesn't go to this part. So it is now a best improvement, and we have to find some solution here also. So if we do this, Okay, now let's see. Okay, so the problem is caused by this extra line. So what happens if we eliminate this part? Problem solved. So like this and like this. So the same thing goes to here, but it is very tricky down here because I don't know which one of this line should I move. Okay, let's see. Okay, what is this line? Okay, so this one belongs to this here thing. So this one, I think it should go here, but it will make a triangle there. So if I move like this, let's see. Okay, so we have two of this line here. I was thinking about making them connect. So let's see. I don't think that is possible. So I think we have to stop this video with a triangle, I think. Okay, move like this, then do like this, do like this. Okay. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna delete this triangle looking face. So what we get? So 1, 2. Okay, we can just remove this face vertex here. So we have to find another solution. Okay, this one cannot go like this also. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna stop it with a triangle. Okay, so I think it looks fine, not a big deal. When you press 3, it won't be noticeable, so there's no issue there, no issue in the top part. Okay, I think this part is because of this one, so you can just smooth it or do something with it. Okay, easiest part will be to first of all we save it because we don't want any error in there. So I'm gonna relax it. Okay, we don't have any of the text, so I'm gonna turn off the symmetry. Then yeah, then we are done. Okay, we don't have to put it right there, but just a simple thing, and then we are done. See, there is nothing there that area, so I'm gonna mirror it. So mirror it, when we mirror it, make sure it is in 0.01 merge threshold. Okay, that is enough. So only the closest vertex will be merged. Okay, now I think it looks good. Okay, now let's just delete the history and look at our model. Okay, it's very good. Here looks good, here looks realistically good, and we are done. Okay, so something bother me here in this part, so I'm gonna do this one and move it like this, do this one and move like this, and do this one, move like this. Okay, right now it looks good. So if you want to make any changes in this part, do this. Okay, like this and like this, move it up, and also this one can go down like this, and some thickness here. Also make sure to move this one also. Use vertex to avoid too much thickness. Okay. Also, easiest way to fake the thickness is to do this. It's very easy to do that. Okay. Now see, it's got bigger, and also in order to add more proper shape, you can do this. Okay, now just put anything in the ear. Okay, put earrings or anything you like. Okay, now okay, I'm gonna leave like this. Press save. Again, you can do the symmetry also. Sorry, mirror also. Again, change the merge threshold value. Then you are good to go. And then okay, then we are done. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to like my video. Okay, just like it, share it, and think and comment what you think about it. Okay, thank you.